never got to tell my parents, but I pooped myself at this field. Pretty recently too. Just happened. Snuck up on me. I'm not proud of it.
We live in an era of information. At the click of a button, hundreds and thousands of new results, ranging from information to funny videos to DIYs to whatever this is. Let's just move past that. Anyways. But how does this involve me? And you? I'm gonna get there, but like for now, like, damn it. I lost my train of thought. Hey, how have you been? It's been a while. I've missed you so much. I think what really irks me and grinds my gears is when people are like, oh, I don't know how to do something. Like, we don't have access to thousands of different types of technology to be able to look up how to do stuff. Like, most of us have phones in our pockets that can literally do everything that teachers said that we would never have. You'll never have a calculator in your pocket. Well, now we do, so go fuck yourself. And I hate the way that teaching is set up nowadays. Like, a lot of this stuff just doesn't really work for me. I learn things in different ways. I want to learn things when I want and how I want to without anybody else saying how I should be. Would you guys be mad at me if I told you that this was a repair video? Ignore the mattress. Oh, I'm slipping! Game plan on Blu-ray. I got this TV from my uncle. He doesn't want it anymore and said, if you can repair it, you can have it. Or sell it. I don't care. You do what you want with it. And I looked it up with this error code, 6 red blinking lights, and it says that it is a backlight issue. From what I can gather on the internet, a backlight is essentially the illumination of the panels and all of the LED pieces in the actual TV. I think. I don't know. I've never done this before. So when initially wanting to fix this issue, I had no clue where to start from it. I've never fixed a TV before. And so I just went on YouTube and looked up the model number for the TV that I have. And I found a lot of different videos, but there was one in particular that stuck out to me. It was a whole super long video of the full TV repair of a similar model.
4, 5, 6.
Seems like this guy has the same issue as me. He has the 6 red blinking lights.
So let's check it out.
Chi-Town's finest.
Okay, that was awesome. I gotta check out some of this other guy's video. He has another repair video up here.
Seconds.
Oh,
or
same
30
thing.
seconds or whatever.
Black screen.
Type of backlight problem.
Backlight, same thing as the other one. Holy shit! I love you, big dog. You're amazing. All right, let's get started. You know what? Maybe we don't even go with the mattress. This model TV was very different from the video, and so I had to figure a lot of stuff out. Let's go through some of the parts that I assume they are. All right, obviously we got the speakers. We got
A little LED light component seems pretty simple enough. We got lots of little cables. This is the little component board. This holds all of the audio ports and then also the
What a snooze fest. Oh my gosh, look how fuzzy. Let me. So then I took off the backing, got to some components, and the Roomba ate the screws. Oh my god. That's it, you naughty little bastard. Ugh. You're in timeout. Went ahead and removed all of these clips so I could actually lift up the display. And now I'm just waiting on the suction cup so I can fully grab it and then take it and put it over on that table over there. Time to wait for the shipment. You know, this would be perfect time for a sponsor. Oh, the part's here. Oh, that's a lot lighter than what I was expecting. So parts are here, so montage time? Wait! In my desk video, that song got me banned in Russia. How do you get banned in Russia? With a K-pop song. So I went ahead and took off the front panel of the TV. Started taking off the framing. Took off the little plastic sheets. And then I unlatched all the LEDs from the paper and got to the back. So what you see here is literally the very back plate of the TV. Like, these are the LEDs that illuminate the screens and everything that's inside. I don't need to know how these work. Like, imagine if people from like modern day got mad at cavemen for not knowing like how the chemical reaction to make fire works. Like, I'd imagine it would be like, hey, that's cheating. No, it's not cheating. If you want to see what real cheating looks like, I'll show you real cheating. Now let's fix this TV. So I went ahead and swapped out all the old LEDs for the new ones. Went ahead and put on all the panels and everything, all the sheets of paper, like in the image. You know this image? Yeah, that one. And then finally was able to put the framing back onto the TV, and uh-oh, something's wrong. That's not good. Oh, I forgot the clip. Yes, you did, idiot. Now time to take it all apart. Now it's time for the big piece. Hope it doesn't fall and crack and explode. Finally, after hours of putting this TV back together, I finally finished it, and now the TV is done.
14.
Wake up. Hello? Mind telling me about this? Not that. That's drawing I did earlier. Mind telling me about this? Can't prove that's me.
Dude! Ow!
Go ahead and scroll down. That's what I thought. I have one more question. What about that? This is a blank sheet of paper. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys and say that it worked. It didn't. I tried everything. I tried using a multimeter, tested parts, read manuals, looked through schematics, troubleshooting tips, YouTube videos, and I did deduce it down to two possible issues that it could be. Could either be the LCD panel on the front, the actual screen, or could be about a $200 part that's never in stock. I feel defeated. I feel like I didn't finish the project. I feel like there's a broken TV in my garage.
Well, hot dog.
But why do I feel like this? Is there anything I can do to stop feeling like this? Is it because I didn't fix the TV? Or is it that I set out to achieve a goal and because I didn't complete it 100% and reach the goal that I had in mind, I feel like a failure? I get it now. I was so lost in finishing this project that I lost sight of what this was all about. Learning to take apart a TV, learning to replace parts, learning to troubleshoot, all of these things were what this project was and should have been. But I got lost in this idea that the end result is what I should only be proud of. But that's not the case. Every second I spent researching, every second I watched of Big Dog's tutorials, all the blueprints I read, all the articles I glossed over kind of vaguely, all of it, I learned something from. That is what this project was all about. But it's not just what I learned, it's what we all learn. I learned something. I learned something.
I learned not to poop myself at a public park.
Okay. And through this entire video, even with its failures, at the end, I guess I can say,
I learned something. So what'd you learn?
Yeah, bitch. We're playing Minecraft.
Oh, it's denting the bat. my god, we've done this already. What is it? Shit.